band i forbindelse med den britiske udgave af X-Factor. De hedder Little Mix, og de gik hen og vandt konkurrencen som den første gruppe nogensinde faktisk, der vandt det britiske X-Factor. Og sidenhen så har de altså toppet hitlisterne verden rundt. De slog faktisk Spice Girls rekord og er det bedst sælgende pigeband debutalbum i USA. Og i aften der spiller de i Tivoli sammen med en række danske kunstnere, og inden da så har vi altså overtalt dem til at komme i studiet her. Welcome Little Mix. Hi, so nice to have you here. This is your first time in Denmark. By popular demand, your fans have been asking that you come here. Leanne, what can your fans expect from the concert tonight? You can grab the microphone.
Thank you.
It's working.
Lots of dancing, a lovely good show. We love putting on a show. So yeah, we just want all the fans to get involved. Yes, lots and lots of energy. We can't wait to see all of our fans. We're so excited.
Det er første gang, at de er i Danmark, og det er sådan, at deres fans har sagt, hey, er det ikke snart på tide, at de kommer op og spiller en koncert hos os? Og de siger, at der bliver masser af energi, og der skal danses, og der skal virkelig, virkelig bare laves en fest. Jade, so you won the British X Factor, and we all know these shows where you come there, you come to the audition and you're all nervous and everything, and now it's been 4 years and you've made it so well so far, and you're a big hit in the States as well. How has this journey been? How have you experienced these years?
I think it's just bizarre for us, isn't it? These 4 years have gone so quick, and I feel like I can't remember my life without these 3 girls. It's really strange, but we're just having a blast. Like, we're loving every minute of it, and of course, getting to travel to countries like this and meet on other mixers that we've never seen before is like a highlight for us.
Hun fortæller, at det er sådan lidt svært at forestille sig, hvordan i alverden var livet, før de her 4 piger, de lærte hinanden at kende, og altså blev de 4 stjerner i Little Mix, men at de har en fest med det. Perry, so actually you met at X Factor. You were gathered by the judges, made this super group of girls. Yeah. How are things working out with you? Are you getting to know each other, and how is
oh my gosh, I think we know each other in and out. Like, literally, these are my bestest friends. We all love each other. We spend so much time together. Like, we're together 24/7, and we cannot get enough of each other. It's really weird. We always have sleepovers and we're always hanging out and stuff like that. But yeah,
so even when you're not out touring and singing, you're still hanging out.
Yeah,
that's sick.
I know. It's a bit much, but we love each other. We can't help it.
De fortæller, at selv når de ikke sådan skal synge sammen, så er de faktisk stadigvæk sammen hele tiden. De kan simpelthen bare ikke få nok af hinanden. Og det er jo altså det er jo rimelig heldigt, når de skal bruge så meget tid sammen. Jessie, it's your first time in Copenhagen. How are you enjoying the city so far?
It's amazing. Do you know what? We haven't actually had that much time to look around, but so far it's so good.
Yep.
Perry feels like she's in Disneyland, which is amazing. We're just so shocked at how beautiful this is. It's insane. I feel like I'm in a little wonderland. It's amazing.
A little wonderland, ja, det føles altså lidt som at være i Disneyland på en eller anden måde, og være her i Danmark. Little Mix, you're going to perform your latest single, Black Magic, in a little bit. It was nice talking to you, and look so much forward to hearing you sing again. Thank you.
Ja, musik og